Hi everyone, this is Divyansh. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are good. Today I am going to narrate a beautiful story. It's a story about always be happy what you have. A saint was passing through the thick forest. Suddenly, a drop of water falls on the saint's cheek. As he raised his head up, he saw a crow was sitting on a tree branch and weeping. After asking the reason, the crow said, I am not happy because of my black color. Please make me swan, so sweet bird. The saint replied, I will fulfill your desire, but you will have to go to a swan and ask him whether he is happy in his life. The crow followed the saint and came to know the swan was not happy in his life because of his white color. Both of them came back to saint and requested to make them a beautiful parrot. The saint made the same bet, but before them to go to the parrot and find out whether the parrot happy in his life. They followed the saint and came to know the parrot was not happy in his life because of its green color. Then the crow, the swan and the parrot went to saint again and requested to make them peacock a beautiful bird. But the saint made the same bet again before them to go to the peacock and ask whether the peacock is happy in his life. They followed the saint and find out the peacock is not happy in his life because of the fear of hunters. Finally, they came to know no one is satisfied in his life. Moral of the story: never compare yourself to others. Always be happy what you have. Thank you for watching. Like if you like it.